Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take and edit a screenshot on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So, if you want to take a screenshot, you can use two methods. So you can use the power button, you can use the volume up button, volume down and power button at the same time. As you guys can see, we got a screenshot here, we can save it. And we can also just open up recent apps, even if all of them are closed. And as you guys can see, you can just take a screenshot of your messages, for example, and that's how you guys can do it. So now let's talk about editing a screenshot. So we're gonna take a screenshot real quick. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the settings. Now here I have it, and we're gonna click on the pen icon. Here we can resize it first, which is pretty normal. Now we can also add some text, like let's add HardReset.Info. Of course, we can place it right here. We can click on it, change the font. I'll use this font right here. Let's keep it maybe here. Here we have, as you guys can see, we can color something, so we can add a smiley face on our screenshot. Here we can add a little bit of a tainted one, and we can also just get rid of it. So if we don't want it, we can just do that. So as you guys can see, we can also rotate our screenshot here, and you can just rotate it pretty easy. There's not a lot of options. You can also share it from here. You can share the image to someone, you can delete it, and if you delete something, you can just bring it back. Remember to change the size after. Click save, and when you go over into the photos, which is the Pixel app, you will see this picture. Sorry, not this picture, but you should see your screenshot here. If you don't have it in your screenshots, then you did something wrong, because we got it right here. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.